Very nice sitting area. Look at that. It looks pretty nice. Look at that. It looks really nice. There the kitchen area, a lot of cabinets, smoke extractor. Look at that. See the first bedroom. I love that chandelier over there, looks really nice. Have a closet and a shower area. See the master bedroom. Look at that lighting. It looks really nice. Look at that. You have your closet on this side. And on the other side, look at that. You have a TV over there and a place you can chill, before you sleep. Looks really nice. See the shower area. It looks pretty nice and neat. You also have this outdoor sitting area. Look at that. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. See you on the next one. Be blessed.